So all right, so we've got the aluminum just square beam. You got your aluminum L bracket, and we can easily engineer this based on the wind loads. I mean, if we wanted to take full advantage of the ventilated facade, we could put a water barrier. This is a water protection here, but we could put another insulation on here, and we could also put a thermal break underneath this bracket as well. So the Technowood product is, this is our 8-inch plank. It's a tongue and groove plank. And then we've got our trim pieces here, which can finish off and join all the edges and finish off at the bottom here as well. So this could all be cut in the field, and then the fasteners are hidden between the tongue and the groove joint. So all of these end finished pieces or edge finished pieces, they're all in the same Technowood veneer and the Technowood finish. And then this will look as is for at least 5 to 7 years. Depending on the client's expectation, it could go up to about 10 years between its maintenance cycles. And then with a 220 grit and a recoating of our proprietary nanotech acrylic blend urethane, you get another 10 years between your maintenance cycles. So it's a 35, 40 year plus product, and it's the best way to put natural veneer in the exterior of a building, even in Florida.